So, good afternoon, class. We are having this subject Green Building and Sustainable Design, CM 711, and this is our uh, first chapter, which we are covering the basics. So, let us move into the green building concept. So, in this lecture, I'll cover first. We'll look into overview of the green building and concept, its concept, and then we'll move to green building standard. Certain standard we have to follow. कुछ standard हमें follow करने पड़ते हैं, ठीक है? As per the some organizations or some kind of a rating system like LEED, like GRIHA, like IGBC, and all. And then we'll see some green building issues as per the design and construction of the uh, building or any kind of structure. So, green building means what it represents. Green building is a building that in its design, I'll take pencil. In its design, construction, or operation reduces or eliminates the negative impact and can create the positive impact on our climate and natural environment. Means it's all related to the environment. As we know, the environment is degrading, polluting. तो environment के पर्सपेक्टिव में ये चीज़ है कि ग्रीन बिल्डिंग या उसका डिज़ाइन कंस्ट्रक्शन should be such that emission of any pollutants like carbon or like anything, that should we have to reduce in such a manner that carbon credits or some pollutants should be in control. Okay, so that is a building that in design, construction, or operation it reduces or eliminates the negative impacts and can create the positive impacts, okay, on our climate and environment. In building, preserve the precious natural resources. Precious means that we cannot recover such resources. That's why these resources are precious. Okay, so natural resources and improve our quality of life. ठीक है? So means we have to मतलब हमें रिसोर्सेज जो है नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज जो हैं उनका कंजम्पशन भी कम करना है, बट नॉट एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ अवर क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ एंड और क्वालिटी ऑफ द कंस्ट्रक्शन. तो क्वालिटी ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन से हमें कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करना है इन टर्म्स ऑफ द सर्विसिबिलिटी ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर. ठीक, there are number of features that can make a building green. Okay, so what are those features? So let's see what are those features. The features are like efficient use of energy. First thing, the efficient use of energy, comma water and other kind of another one resources. Okay, so energy and water. Water is also a crucial thing that we have to consider in this. Okay, so management of water, or how we can recirculate the tap water in some other uses, or how we can store the rainwater and for our further use. Okay, and then use of the renewable energy, such as the very well known solar energy. So how we use that solar energy, fuel cells, and in our daily use of a structure. Okay, that will we have to see. Pollution and waste reduction, this also comes in this part. Okay, pollution and waste reduction. Okay, waste का proper management for a building, for a particular building or for a particular structure, that's also comes under in the green building concept, you can say this. So waste production, waste reduction, not production, waste reduction. There's certain measures to manage the waste that also we have to take care. Okay, so how we can manage solid waste disposal, how we can reuse some certain waste that can be reused, or which can be biodegradable, then we have to see for that कि like which is this is biodegradable, तो हमको उसको biodegradable करना है, ठीक है. तो we have to put some landfill design and all that. Recycling and reuse of the waste. Another is the good indoor environmental air quality. Okay, so good indoor environmental air quality. तो एक पॉइंट्स आपको ऑलरेडी क्लियर हो ही रहा है पढ़ के ही, ठीक है. So in the building we should have like clean air to breathe, right? So this such air quality in the building, for a building, should be well. Okay, use of the material that are non-toxic, ethical and sustainable. The material should be non-toxic. Okay, it should not affect our health. So non-toxic अगर हम बोल रहे हैं, it should not affect our health at any cost. Okay, and that materials जो मटेरियल हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं should be ethical. मतलब ऐसा ना हो कि वो मटेरियल हम यूज़ तो कर लें और वो चीप भी हो, एक्सपेंसिव भी ना हो, बट वो मटेरियल नॉन रिन्यूएबल हो या उस मटेरियल के यूज़ से किसी पर्सन को अफेक्ट होता हो, ठीक है. तो वो चीज़ भी हमें नहीं देखनी है. एंड इट शुड बी सस्टेनेबल, दैट मटेरियल्स शुड बी सस्टेनेबल टू. तो ये चीज़ें हमें जो है आपको यू हैव टू सी. ओके, consideration of the environment in the design, construction and operation. Consideration of environment. Okay, डिज़ाइन कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑपरेशन अगर आप इस कॉस्ट पे कर रहे हैं कि इन्वायरमेंट पे इफेक्ट पड़े, तो आपको कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, देन इट्स इट्स नॉट गुड थिंग. तो यू हैव टू कंसिडर द इन्वायरमेंट फर्स्ट in design any structure or any industry or anything. It's not a structure like industrial building or any kind of structure. And during its operation, it should be like environmental friendly as compared to the another one, the conventional structures. Consideration of the quality of life of occupants in the design. Okay, बट एट दी उस कॉस्ट पे हमें नहीं करना है कि जो ऑक्यूपेंट्स या क्लाइंट या जो हम लोग रह रहे हैं बिल्डिंग में उसकी क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ पे भी फ़र्क पड़े. तो ऐसा आपको जो है चीज़ें मैनेज करनी है कि क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ भी आपकी अफेक्ट ना हो, ठीक है. इट शुड बी क्लासी, इट शुड बी गुड, एंड एट द सेम टाइम environment should be also clean. The design that enable adaptation to a changing environment. Okay. Now next, like what is the green building? If someone asks you the green building definition, okay. So sophisticated definition will be the green building are the high performance structure that also meet certain standard for reducing the natural resources consumption. Okay, these are the high performance structures that are also meet certain standard for reducing the natural resources consumption. Okay, resources may be kind of energy, there may be kind of water, then clean air or anything. Okay, in continuation of this, green or sustainable building are characterized by. तो यहाँ पे कुछ important points हैं. We'll see one by one. Efficient, first one, efficient management of energy and water resources. So how we use energy as well as the water in our daily use in our building, that management is very important. Okay, that is very effective part of this concept. Management of material and waste, that we have discussed here. Restoration and protection of the environmental quality. Okay, so environmental quality, another same thing. Enhancement and protection of health and indoor environmental quality. Okay, तो अगर प्रोटेक्ट करना है और ठीक है भाई, डिग्रेड तो थोड़ा बहुत होना ही है उसने, लेकिन एज मच एज कितना हम उसको रिड्यूस कर सकें वो भी देखना है, ठीक है. एनफोर्समेंट फॉर द नेचुरल सिस्टम. ओके, यहाँ पर इन्फोर्समेंट का मतलब नॉट द लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इन्फोर्समेंट लाइक बार, मतलब इस नेचुरल सिस्टम, this nature, how we can reinforce this nature by providing some special means in our construction. This is the thing. Analysis of life cycle cost and benefit of the material and methods. Okay, integration of design decision making process. Okay, so how you can alter your design process so that you may opt some green building concept. तो ये आपको इसमें इंश्योर करना है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, metrics of for such green benefits are articulated and certified by the lead that built green. That they're both are came by US or other some other organization also. Like for India, this is the IGBC. Okay, green standard measure different environmental qualities of building. Each has the different emphasis and purpose. Obviously, तो जो भी आपकी सर्टेन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या सर्टेन रेटिंग सिस्टम है, कि अपने अपने स्टैंडर्ड है, तो ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही है बट कुछ अलग अलग भी है. वो आपको जो है फॉलो करना है, ठीक है. आपको पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दोज. In that, some are like leadership in energy and environment design. Okay, leadership in environment and energy design. Lead. Green home building guidelines, model green home building guidelines, energy star rating. Okay, this is by the I think Canada. IGBC, this is by the our country, India. Then what is green makes business sense? Isn't it to increase the flexibility to allow for longer building and the useful life and reuse of the material, improve building performance, obviously the increase revenue performance, as well as we have to save the cost also. Okay, engineers, we are made for the better design always, but at the finest cost or the at the optimum cost. The cost is also a matter. ठीक है, ये नहीं कि कॉस्ट तो आपने पहुंचा दी 4-5 गुना, देन आप कह रहे हैं कि ये हमारा सस्टेनेबल डिजाइन है. इट्स नॉट अ थिंग लाइक दैट. तो इंक्रीज रेवेन्यू हायर, or when you make such kind of houses or building, and you are if you're going to sell that houses, so you should get good amount, okay, in sale or in rent. Okay, why go green means why we are calling it green, or why we are telling again and again green. The green is the, what is the green? Green means the thing which reduces the carbon consumption, okay, or carbon emissions, mainly that is emission, energy independence, encourage community, and preserve natural system. Okay, and preserve the natural systems. Okay, लीड, व्हाट इज द लीड? तो अभी हम देखते हैं लीड कॉन्सेप्ट को थोड़ा डिटेल में हम देखते हैं. लीड्स दिस फोकस नॉट ऑन द की फैक्टर इन द करंट क्लाइमेट changes crisis, that's CO2 and energy, looks only at the prescriptive design, not measurable and performance. Okay, favors bells and whistles, not basic good designs, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ब्यूरोक्रेटिक एंड एक्सपेंसिव. ओके, ये जो पॉइंट थे, इसके बेसिस पे इसे स्टार्टिंग में क्रिटिसाइज किया गया कि ये ब्यूरोक्रेटिक है, एक्सपेंसिव है, इट नॉट फॉलो द बेसिक डिजाइन एस्पेक्ट्स, एंड इट ओनली नॉट मेजरेबल परफॉर्मेंस नहीं है. तो दीज आर काइंड ऑफ प्री एजम्पशंस लोगों ने ले लिए थे लीड के बारे में. दैट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. Green building legal issues revolve around identifying parties' values and negotiating the agreement that result in wins, allocating risk benefit burdens. So they are this lines are all related to like uh, management or project management kind of things. Okay, so that agreement between the two parties, like or any kind of legal issue that you have to face in making the building, or in selling that building, or in renting of that building. Okay, the allocating the risk benefit and anticipating and avoiding the unnecessary trouble. Okay, such legal issues. The lead is came from the US, administered by the US Green Building Council. It's a voluntary census-based system. Okay, this is the lead. It is advertised as reducing environmental impact, reducing the operating cost also, increasing the occupant comfort and productivity. It also consider that occupant must feel the comfort and the productivity during its life in service and operating cost should be limited. So other potential benefits are like higher rents and higher sale price. तो ये benefits आपको मिलने चाहिए स्ट्रक्चर सेल आप कर रहे हैं स्ट्रक्चर बनाने के बाद यू आर दी काइंड ऑफ बिल्डर के एस्पेक्ट में आप देख रहे हैं तो लीड इन सब एस्पेक्ट को देखता है ठीक है now the rating system like what kind of rating system जो इन्होंने लीड का है अपना रेटिंग सिस्टम किस किस चीज़ों के लिए है इट मतलब इट कंप्राइजेज द थिंग्स लाइक न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड एग्जिस्टिंग बिल्डिंग आल्सो ऑपरेशन एंड मेंटेनेंस मतलब न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन जो हो रहा है उसके लिए भी आप सर्टिफिकेट लीड का लेना चाहते हैं तो दैट इज आल्सो यू हैव टू यू कैन टेक एग्जिस्टिंग बिल्डिंग्स जो बन चुकी हैं उनका ऑपरेशन मेंटेनेंस के लिए आप ये सर्टिफाई आप करना चाहते हैं तो भी आप कर सकते हैं कमर्शियल इंटीरियर्स दैट यू हैव टू आल्सो डू दिस कोर्स एंड सेल्स ओके डिफरेंट टाइप के शेल्स छोटे छोटे स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं वो स्कूल्स एंड होम्स हाउसेस ओके पर्सनल हाउसेस रेजिडेंशियल्स so lead basics, the example, sustainable sites in this will like site selection, density and connectivity, brownfield redevelopment, under alternative transportation, site development, habitat, open space, stormwater control. The stormwater control is also important aspect. Like this is kind of the rainwater harvesting how you are managing your storm water that runoff and how you are collecting that and after collection the important thing is how you can reuse that water in your daily life these things if you can consider then that will be very good as per the green building concept reduction of the heat island effect and the light pollution reduction okay these things are comes under the sustainable thing. Now coming to the water efficiency means the water use reductions. हमें करना होता है reductions, water efficient landscaping, innovative waste water technology. तो वेस्ट वाटर टेक्नोलॉजी का मतलब है जो भी वाटर आपका एज अ वेस्ट निकल रहा है in your daily use of that building or houses or any structure that waste water which is coming through the building how you are managing that wastewater managing means how you are treating that wastewater how you are making good from that wastewater how we can reuse this wastewater that thing you have to see and the methods of treating that wastewater that should be innovative that uh, should not be like very conventional or like thing that okay you have to improve in that okay in such a manner that environmental should be clean or it should pollute less energy in terms of energy and atmosphere ea in the energy efficiency the renewable energy and the building commissioning जैसे कि आपका एक इम्पॉर्टेंट टर्म आती है दैट ई आई ए मतलब होता है मैं आपको बता दूं इन्वायरमेंटल impact assessment okay environmental impact assessment when you are going to make or put any kind of big commercial structure commercial building first thing any kind of factory any kind of plant तो आपको गवर्नमेंट से क्लियरेंस लेना पड़ता है EIA क्लियरेंस एंड गवर्नमेंट विल सी द होल थिंग which comes under the means in making of that building as well as in the operating of that plant or any factory उसमें कैसा कार्बन एमिशन है क्या क्या पॉल्यूटेंट्स में से निकलेंगे जो पॉल्यूटेंट्स इसमें से निकल रहे हैं दैट शुड बी लिमिटेड मींस दैट शुड बी इन द परमिसिबल रेंज that government that will see these all things and then only they will provide clearance that is called environmental impact assessment after that clearance only you can run that particular factory industry or plant or anything okay Heat basic category example: materials and resources, building reuse. You can reuse the building, construction waste management, material reuse. Construction waste management is also a very good thing, kind of a topic. Means that जब भी आप कंस्ट्रक्शन वेस्ट जो होता है आपका वो बहुत ही एक सिरदर्द होता है लोगों के लिए, लाइक व्हेन यू गोइंग टू डिमोलिश स्ट्रक्चर और बिल्डिंग और रोड और एनीथिंग, उसका वेस्ट का अगर आप यूज़ करना सीख जाएंगे, इसका वेस्ट का प्रॉपर यूज़ क्या हो सकता है, दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग. कंस्ट्रक्शन वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, material reuse, okay, similar like this, recycled material, how we can recycle this, rapidly renewing material, and certified wood. This kind of resources or material, you can see in this. Indoor air quality, indoor environmental quality, EQ. Environmental quality, indoor means the like ventilation of your building should be proper, like क्रॉस वेंटिलेशन होना चाहिए उसमें. ये सब आपको थोड़ा पता है, पता ही होगा. लो एमिटिंग मटेरियल, ऐसा ना हो कि जो है सनलाइट है जो भी है और आपका जो स्ट्रक्चर है या कोई भी प्लांट है कोई बिल्डिंग है उसमें एमिशंस ऑफ गैसेस और पोल्यूटेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा है, वो लिमिटेड होनी चाहिए. कंट्रोलेबल सिस्टम लाइटिंग, थर्मल, इन थर्मल एस्पेक्ट, ओके. तो इंसुलेशन, lighting or temperature effect should be in control of that our building. So then only we can say this is the environmental quality. We are making we are maintaining the environmental quality, okay. Thermal comfort means वही temperature. तो टेम्परेचर आपका मेंटेन हो रहा है, means naturally or by in a flow, means not by putting AC, but normally अगर building का temperature maintained है to live with that, then this is a good thing. Daylight and views, okay. So sunlight should come inside the building in proper way, okay, enough. So as we need the sunlight for anything, विटामिन डी का रिच सोर्स जो है वो सन होता है, ठीक है. तो सन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, डे लाइट शुड कम in your veranda or anything or inside your bedroom. And the views, the natural views should be also visible to your structure or building, right? तो these are some lead certification level. ये level है कि आपने follow कर लिया some standard, you emphasize on that, and after following that standard आपको जो है सर्टिफिकेशन मिलता है. तो इफ यू आर सर्टिफाइड, तो आपको अगर आपके कितने पॉइंट्स बन रहे हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट they will provide you that level, like for silver this is in this range, for the gold that point should be in this range, for getting platinum your point should be in this range 80 and above, okay. This is as per the 2009. As per that conference or that law, minimum requirements is the it's like most company with the environmental laws must be complete permanent building or space, like must use a reasonable site boundary, must comply with the minimum floor area requirements, must comply with the with minimum occupancy rates, must commit to the sharing whole building energy and water uses data, okay. This is the highlighted one, this is the important one. Must commit to the sharing whole building energy and the waste uses data. Must complete with the minimum building area to site area ratio, okay. Minimum building area to the site area ratio, okay. That its ratio should be minimum. Okay, then green globes, environmental impact assessed on a 1000 point scale in the multiple categories. That categories are energy, second one is the indoor environment, third one is the site, fourth one is the water, the next is resources, then emission, then project or environmental management. This kind of parameter they'll consider when they going for the environmental impact. ये हम देख लिया, एग्जिस्टिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन को भी देखते हैं और न्यू वन को भी देखते हैं। नेक्स्ट वन इज द न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शंस आर इन द टू स्टेजेस में देखते हैं। स्टेज वन इज द रिव्यू ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन डॉक्यूमेंट्स, वर्किंग ड्राइंग, लैंडस्केप डिजाइन, एनर्जी एनालिसिस, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, कमीशनिंग एंड रिपोर्ट्स। ओके, स्केल वन स्टेज वन में देखते हैं बेसिकली प्रॉपर ड्राइंग देखते हैं, डिजाइंस देखते हैं, डिटेलिंग देखते हैं, और एनर्जी एनालिसिस आपने किया है नहीं किया है कि एनर्जी इनपुट इतना है, आउटपुट इतना है, कंजम्पशन स्टोरेज इतना है। सो वो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, वो सब रिपोर्ट्स, ये आपका जो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन वर्क जो बेसिकली होता है वो आपका स्टेज वन में आता है। सेकेंड स्टेज में आपका आता है on-site walkthrough, your visit, review of the additional document. If they are required additional document as per the government norms and everything, you have to see this, and interview of key team members. Okay, तो जो भी आपका कंस्ट्रक्शन करने जा रही है, प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर से लेके लोअर मैनेजर तक, उन टीम मेंबर्स का प्रॉपर रिक्रूटमेंट, इंटरव्यूज या उनका प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग होनी चाहिए, along with the stage one all documentation. Okay, and you have to take care the continual improvement of the existing building, extensive documentation review, and an on-site visit with a walk-through and interview facility manager and chief manager. Like the same previous one, so we can skip this. Energy Star. This is also a kind of a rating. Energy Star rating, है ना, हमने सुना ही होगा, वेरी कॉमन। आपके जो फ्रिज वगैरह पे, टीवी पे, सब पे लिखा होता है बेसिकली, है ना। प्रोग्राम ऑफ द यूएस एनवायरमेंटल प्रोटेक्शन एजेंसी, this is also by US. Okay, United States, America. The focus is on energy consumption, different tools for residential and commercial building. Okay, तो इसमें स्टार बेसिकली आपको पता ही है, एक स्टार, दो स्टार, थ्री स्टार। ओके, जितना ज़्यादा स्टार होंगे, इट मीन्स दैट एनर्जी कंजम्पशन will be lesser. Okay. But kind of petty issues that you may face, the best to establish the expectation and responsibilities in the letter of intent, and including the applicable green certification standard. Okay, तो ये एक्सपेक्टेशन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो आपकी है, आपको ऑक्यूपेंट या क्लाइंट को देनी है, वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी या वो आपको परफेक्टली फॉलो करना होता है, जो भी लेटर ऑफ इंटेंट में आपने मेंशन किया है। ओके, लीज फॉर्म शुड कंप्लीमेंट टू द एप्लीकेशन स्टैंडर्ड। ओके, जो भी लीज फॉर्म अगर आप दे रहे हैं, वी आर व्हेन ये उसी केस में जब आपको अपनी बिल्डिंग आपको किसी को लीज पे देनी है, तो यू हैव टू टेक केयर द ऑल डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड ऑल, identifying client goals, contracting to achieving those goals, liability when goals are not met, ensuring against failure, commissioning ongoing maintenance and operation. Okay, these things are all in the leasing and construction. What kind of conclusion you may conclude through this? In building certification present a moving target, critical to work with client early and continuously to determine goals and objectives. Just focus on objective performance measures and clear allocation of risk and responsibilities. Green building issues are presented in the nearly every phase of development. Look for the opportunity to the improve old practice and boilerplate. Not so important line. Now coming to the IGBC. Okay, IGBC is the Green Home, the first rating program developed in the India exclusively for the residential sector. Okay, this is mainly for the building or for the residential sector. Okay, sector. It is based on the accepted energy and environmental principle and strike a balance between known established practices and emerging concept. Okay, balance बिठाना है. System is designed to be comprehensive in scope. Okay, building rating brings together a host of sustainable practices and solution to reduce the environmental impact. Okay, considering the life cycle impact of and resources used. An important development in the growth of green building movement in India is the launch of following IGBC green building rating system. So this is the about through the India. Okay. Now, what kind of certification they have provided? Uh, they provide basically by IGBC rating. The project must satisfy all the mandatory requirements and minimum number of credit points. Okay, तो आपको सर्टिफिकेट तभी मिलेगा जब आप मिनिमम एक पॉइंट्स अचीव करेंगे. तो दिस सर्टिफिकेशन जो अवेलेबल फॉर green, this is IGBC green new building, IGBC green existing building, green homes, schools, factory buildings, township, landscapes, and mass rapid transit system. Okay, MRTS. तो इस चीज़ों के लिए IGBC रेट रेट करता है. ठीक है. What are the small point? Okay, ये आपने अभी तक फील कर ही लिया होगा. Smart the benefits of that green building और अगर आपका बिल्डिंग उसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉलो करती है आईजीबीसी वाले, तो यू मे गेट सम बेनिफिट. सम आर द टेंजिबल, सम आर द नॉन टेंजिबल, इंटेंजिबल बेनिफिट्स. Intangible the benefits are like you may save your energy 20 to 30%, and you may save your water 30 to 50%. वाटर आप ज़्यादा सेव कर सकते हैं. ओके, by reuse of water carefully in your building, water saving can be 30 to 50%. Okay. Intangible benefit maybe which is not you may not feel at instant directly to yourself, but it affects the whole as a global in a global manner. That is enhance the air quality, excellent daylighting, health and well-being of the occupants, conservation of scarce natural resources, enhance the marketability of for the project. Okay, so benefits in terms of the marketability also you can see. So this is all about the today's lecture. तो इन लास्ट लेक्चर भी हमने कुछ बेसिक फंडामेंटल्स ही स्टडी किए थे. ग्रीन बिल्डिंग क्या होता है, सस्टेनेबल डिजाइन का मतलब क्या होता है. आज हमने इन दिस लेक्चर आज हमने थोड़ा सा रेटिंग सिस्टम्स के बारे में देख लिया, उनके स्टैंडर्ड्स के बारे में देख लिया, ऑन विच दे एम्फसाइज बाय यूएस बाय इंडिया. ओके, ये सब मैं कवर कर लिया. ओके, इन द नेक्स्ट lecture we may cover will cover means we cover the sustainable technology and some basics uh, for the economics and environment related to green building, and then we'll cover the um design aspect. है ना? The way, obviously we are the civil engineers, so then after this theory part, it may take one or two lecture और लगेंगे इसमें. After that we'll move to the design aspect or design part for the building. Okay, in that we'll try to cover some small numericals also. I'll try definitely. So this is all about this lecture. So thank you.